Hello! I am currently being washed by the baby. Am I clean now?
No.
No! Oh my gosh.
You got lots of dirt on over you.
Oh, amazing. Yeah, we're just getting ready to go and explore.
What's this weapon?
It's a scratch. I'm not too sure how I did it. We're going to go up and explore where we are. It looks like there's a castle, a church, and probably loads of other fun things to do.
Yeah, I want to go have a pass.
Yeah, you can have a piggyback ride?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get to go there.
Yeah. So we just had some lunch, haven't we, Pickle?
Yeah, and my throat just keep doing this.
Yeah, you flew your drone, didn't you? You had to play with that, but the batteries keep going because it doesn't last very long. It's a baby one, isn't it? It's a little one. And yeah, we're just going to go and have an explore.
Oh, you are very dirty.
Oh, thanks.
So I have to clean you.
Hi, I'm Kyla.
Hi, I'm Mindy.
And I'm Matt.
And this is our home, Boho.
And this is our journey from going from a 9 to 5 to living outside. Our Boho family adventure. Look at this for a parkour. Absolutely beautiful Park for Night special. Normally on the pictures on Park for Night there's like 10-15 vans here. We are the only people here. There are no services, but we have got one heck of a view, haven't we?
We certainly have.
We've got the Rhone that side. We've got Cathedral of St Michael, I think it, or St Vincent. I'll have to double check, of course. I know where we are. Up the top of that hill, right the way up there, is the statue of the Archangel Michael, and it looks incredible, but I don't think we're going to get the little one to go all the way up there. So let's go show you round the town. I'm going to hand you to Kyla.
So we're just setting off, and obviously the past couple of days has been a little bit cooler, and I was like, oh, it's really hot, I'm going to take my jumper off, and Matt went, you can't go out like that. I was like, what's up? I was like, I can stick for your armpits.
I'm hot.
So I had to quickly pop back to the van, have a quick spruce up on life. So yeah, so now where are we going?
I want to piggyback.
You want to piggyback?
I'm hot.
We're going to Viviers,
Stand still.
which is this way. So let's,
Right, little legs wants to piggyback.
we're going to Viviers, so let's go and have a look at it and watch out for these bikes so we don't get run over.
Jump! 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 Hang on. Hold on. Hold on.
Bonjour. These trees are massive, and honestly, imagine these all green. This must be so stunning in the summer. Right, Kyla's got a thing. Every time she sees a derelict building with a broken wall, or anywhere like a thin street, she's like, oh my God, it looks like Labrynth. Guess what she just said?
The Goblin City. It's the Goblin City. Come on guys, who knows the Labyrinth? So this place, I feel like I need to open a door and expect loads of pots and pans to fall out. That's how cute it is. Honestly, it's like Labyrinth. And yeah, Goblin City. So much fun.
It's crazy that we're just walking around here, absolutely gobsmacked by just like the architecture and everything, and they were just people's houses, and we're just like, oh my God, look at this door. It's like, yeah, that's someone's living room. sing him?
No.
Come on. Kyla was giving it the full Bowie.
Oh no, there's the big bridge.
Yeah.
Go around there.
I can see but all the way down.
Shouldn't it? Oh, that's the one we came over, wasn't it?
Honestly, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm going to claim finding this one. I didn't, I just looked on an app. Park for night for the win though. And it is beautiful. I think we're currently averaging 3 parks a day, every day, to get our exercise in. We've got to stay fit, and we also use it to do some home education as well, or some van roading or schooling or whatever it's called. So let's go and check this park out.
I am the queen of the park.
Oh, look, it's the Goblin King.
I know, I'm just a goblin. Queen Goblin.
Do you like Viviers? Or Viviers? Can't pronounce it.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? What a find. Indy, little rock climber, gotta go. Really? You are
Here in my toes.
You are not 12 years old. Ew. Actually, we could probably get some good money for them on our OnlyFans.
Yeah, look how beautiful my feet are.
Look at them.
Lovely feet.
Don't like feet. Don't do feet.
This wall. Come on, let me show you this wall. Look, so you remember the bit in Labrynth where there's a big long wall? It doesn't look like you can get in, but actually you can. That's the bit that you can get in. Imagine I'm just like, bye! I'm going into the wall.
Can't say she ain't got a good imagination.
I'll live here.
We're so lucky to be able to travel the way we do, but the one thing I wish I could change, the one thing is if France could have proper toilets to sit on rather than squatty potties or toilets without toilet seats. Come on!
Yeah, seriously though, just wait until we get to Asia, it's all squatty potties. Yes.
And you're going to give me with a dodgy tummy a curry? Tell you now, it won't be squatty potty, it'll be squitty potty.
10 minutes.
Well, I hope you're enjoying season 5 of our adventures. We have got so much more coming up and so many more videos that you can catch up on. So please drop us a subscribe, a like, let us know if you've been to any of the places we've been to and had an adventure through, and please stick by our journey. We've got so much more coming up, including, can I say it?
What?
I think we're going to go to Africa and Thailand. Maybe.
That's where the pots and pans are. And then if you open it the other way, you end up in an oubliette. What is it? Oubliette. Oubliette. Can't remember this. I can't pronounce it. Oubliette. And you know the bit where she gets her lipstick out and she puts arrows on the floor so she doesn't get lost? Look at that. Brilliant. Goblin King, Goblin King.
Okay, let's not. I like Indy. She's my favourite daughter. I only have one. So we got a friend who's come park next to us. They parked very close to the entrance.
I can see
But
Boho.
look at that. We're all the way down
I
there.
can see circus.
Can we just see? There's a circus just there. Let's have a look around here. We are not religious people at all. But there was a little section there where you could light a candle for €2 and just let it burn, obviously for memory of people and just to keep these things open and free of charge. As much as people complain, you know, church takes a lot of money, etc. €2, light a candle, and that place is literally breathtaking when you're inside. It's so quiet. So yeah, we like to do little things like that, don't we?
Absolutely.
And Daddy got goblins. Goblins.
Goblins.
Goblins.
Going on about goblins.
She really wants to watch Labrynth now after that. Just stay till the end of the video and you'll see something interesting. So we were sad when we left Spain, and it does make you sad, you're leaving the weather, etc. But we've turned up, the sun is beaming, and the architecture in here is absolutely beautiful. What a lovely day that was, going around Viviers. We're gonna go with Viviers, and spin you around. We accidentally fell into a few shops. First off,
I'm having trouble opening the box. I don't know how you open it. Oh, haha. Oh, ooh la la.
And so that was from the patisserie.
Yeah, and if we just have a quick gander, we've lost count, but we have another baguette.
Freshly rolled, handmade baguette. Smells incredible. And then Kyla went and tried out the local butchers. Now,
Most expensive butchers ever.
now I haven't seen what she's bought here, but apparently it was really expensive.
We have some sort of terrine.
Looks good, looks good. What else have we got?
Pate pie. Looks more like the terrine, but pate pie.
That's just a big pork pie.
Try it out.
And of course, bottle of Saint-Chilian to go. Thank you so much for watching the channel. I hope you've enjoyed our visit around Viviers today, or Viviers. Viviers, we're going to go with Viviers. We've got lots of nice things to eat tonight. It looks like we're having a movie night as well. And of course, please can you subscribe to the channel? It means a lot, and let us know if you have ever been here, and also what other amazing cathedrals that are about where you've been. Oh yeah, ring the bell, use your feet, and we'll see you all.
We will meet together again.
Yeah.
Yeah, eat some pie.
Eat some pie. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the music video.
You remind me of the babe. What babe? Babe with the power. What power? Power of voodoo. 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 Do what? You remind me of the babe. I saw my baby crying hard as babe could cry. What did I do? My baby's not gone. I made my baby blue. Nobody knew. What kind of magic spells do we use? Slime and snails, puppy dog tails, thunder lightning, baby said.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week. Bye.